Hello there, this is Clone Brother Reviews, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can make a LEGO 1313 Boba Fett. So without any further ado, let's get into this. For the legs and the helmet, you're going to want parts from this LEGO Jango Fett minifigure. The torso that I used comes from this orange Mandalorian, which appeared in the Mandalorian Battle Pack. The arms that I used come from the Book of Boba Fett version of Boba Fett. Finally, the jetpack and head come from a 501st Jet Trooper. If you've done it correctly, your minifigure should now look something like this. Feel free to pause here if you need a reference photo for when you're building it. Overall, I'm very happy with the way this minifigure turned out. I wanted to make this minifigure for a long time, and I figured I might as well just do it now, and here we go. If you have any suggestions for any minifigures that you would like to see me make in the future, feel free to leave a comment down below or reach out to me on my Instagram. If you're not subscribed, I'd also highly recommend you do that so that you're notified when my next video comes out. If you would like to watch any more of my videos, feel free to click on the links which should be on the end screen now.